Okay, so now we're ready to talk about the effects clause. And the effects clause is kind of the clause that everybody really wants to write when explaining what a method does, because that's the one that lets you explain what a method does from the perspective of the outside world. So we've got our original deposit method back, the one that only takes an amount, and now we finally get to explain what work this deposit method accomplishes. So all we write in the effects clause is what the method basically does, what's in here in the ... And we remember that it does two things. First, it takes the amount and it adds it to the balance, and second, it returns the new balance. So we write the word effects in a comment, and we say adds amount to balance and returns balance plus amount. So it actually increases the balance and then it returns. We want to address what this return value is going to look like. Now you might say, hey, this kind of looks like we're talking about an implementation detail here, which is kind of true. We're talking about the work that's accomplished by the method, but we're only talking about the publicly visible work. So we don't talk about any internal implementation details. We don't talk about how we accomplish this work. We just talk about the fact that when this method has finished, the balance will have been increased by the amount, and the balance will then be returned.